Hi guys, this is Ray with the crimping videos. Oh my god, this is the bottom layer of my hair. After it's crimped, it's all pretty and all fluffy. I really like fluffiness. Like, just do like that and it's everywhere. Oh my god, I got something up on my nose. You guys can see it. It's my special stuff. Okay, I'm back. Hope you love mathematical technique. Now let's see what happens when we take our regular comb to our content. It doesn't go anywhere. Which is one thing that I absolutely adore. And I absolutely do not adore that roll on my mirror. So now what we're going to do is when we do the top layer, we're going to need 2 more hair rows. And here's exactly what we're going to do with bottom layer. We're going to put it up in a ponytail. Very high up. Still crimped. And you're going to braid it. You can do a bunch of little braids, you can do 1 braid, I'm about to do 3 braids. No, I'm about to do 2 braids. The reason you braid it is it just gives it some extra weave, like, you don't have to if you don't want to, but I like to. You can also use rubber bands, but, I have to say that I do not like rubber bands. I hate rubber bands because they would after your hair, just like the non-cloth rubber bands, the clear, small rubber bands. I hate those things. They are totally bad for your hair. Like, they rip your hair out. They're unhealthy. I'm trying to get all the rest of my hair over there. It's not working. It's not working. Now this top layer is going to take like 3 videos for me. I'm all going to do one for you. Oh my god, where the hell did I go? Holy, oh. Holy, oh. Wow. Oh my god. I didn't know I had 4 hairs. Well, I guess I do. Oh yeah, I know I have 4 hairs. So, that's how your bottom layer will look if you actually want to tie it up. Okay, then what you're going to do is then you're going to take your finger or your comb and part down the middle of your head. Don't do your little swoop frames, just do a straight part down. And then you're going to take your thumb and one of your fingers and you're going to pick up the side of your hair. As you can see, I do a layer at a time. So this layer right now. Oh, and I'm out of hair though. I don't know. Oh my god. I feel like, oh god. That was retarded. So basically just gonna do the same thing. Brush it. Ow! And if any of you guys are wondering, this is not for anyone special, this is just for our ASD. Hopefully if I look good enough, everybody will stop arguing at the first week of school. Tomorrow is the first Friday of 8th grade for me, and oh my gosh, everybody better started drama. They started drama the second day of school. I know some of y'all got it worse, I do know that. But I'm so sorry if y'all have it worse. But I got people coming at me at the end to meet their little, it's just annoying. I love them all, but they drive me thinking nuts. I mean, how do you have drama the second day of school, the moment the second day of school starts? Oh, when you do the top layer, do not like trim up, just press it in, and then I'll show you what to do in a second. After you hold it there for a few seconds, I just like to brush my hair, honestly. I love to comb my hair, brush it, so I like my hair going beautiful. You're going to take it, and you're going to turn it around, the color around. You'll place it right underneath that little piece of hair, and just go. Oh, I have to do nothing. I like my library book at school. I feel like totally retarded. For the bangs, which this and this are my bangs, when you clip it, be careful because you have a highly likely chance of burning your face. Now here's the part where the ads where you can just twist because it's at the end. Not at the top. At the top, that's where you have a chance of burning your face. Here you can just hold it out. Kind of keeping my face. You don't have to twist it at the bottom, you can twist it. I mean, you don't have to switch it at the bottom, you just have to hold it and twist it. Oh my god, this stuff is hot. Sorry, it's burning me. Whoa. Now it's not going to look as good at the top as it does at the bottom. But if you're with me, you have the swoop thing going one way. I have it going this way. So this little piece will be first. So, yeah. I love it. It's so bouncy. And then you're just going to keep going. And if you really feel like you to get that out of your way, do it. Push it. Get out of my way. Oh, get out of my way. Wish I had my bobby pin. Ah. Now you can just do the twisty thing again. It's just with the bangs that you want to be really careful getting really close to your forehead, because if you burn that, people are going to see that unless you have a big fringe. And the term for big fringe is fully across your forehead, like fully covering your whole face, which I'm getting kind of odd, right? I would not look good for this. Just something to try. My friend just got it too. I was like, oh my god, I'm so mad. I'm not sure when I'm getting my hair cut. I don't know. There'll be a haircut when I can do this. And straighten it and curl it. I better have multiple options on how to do my hair. Put it up, put it down, do whatever I want in my hair. I might start training my bangs to go this way. Like that. That's a big fringe, which is actually what I'm going to do. Oh, crap. If you're anything like me, you'll forget that you have a hot utensil in your hair. I do that all the time. I burned my hair once, which is finding it. I'm so easily entertained. Kind of annoying. It's kind of fun, actually. Working on the history class. All we've done in history class since school started is color. Colored maps, colored pictures. I mean, we've learned apparently how to color. The top layer is extremely fun to do sometimes with crimping because the pieces are way thinner sometimes, so they get like all bunched up at the end, and you're like, oh my god, I know that's gonna be a really cute piece. So let's see. Ooh, big and fluffy. Oh crap, you don't take long to show my bangs because they were already like, no, I like to be over there too. See, look at that. They're all trying to go that way now. So let's separate my bangs from that bang. Okay. It's a very famous. They're gonna be going like that. They're gonna be like, oh, that's hot. Oh my god! I cannot believe I just said that. That's hot. Alright, so there's another piece. Alright, this video is about to end in like 10 seconds, because I only get 15 seconds to record. I'm sorry, I will finish the whole this side layer, and then I'll make another video for you guys, and then there will be a makeup tutorial, and then an outfit tutorial. I'm going to go full out with this, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I really love you guys. Peace out.